Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to hide watch history on the PayPal app, follow these simple steps to understand available privacy settings. Step 1. Understand that PayPal is primarily a payment and financial services app and doesn't have a traditional watch history feature like video streaming platforms. Step 2. If you're concerned about transaction history visibility, open the PayPal app and sign in to your account using your credentials. Step 3. Tap on the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen to view your transaction history. Step 4. While you cannot hide transactions from yourself, you can control who else sees them. Tap on your profile picture or the settings icon to access privacy settings. Step 5. Navigate to Privacy or Activity Settings to review options for controlling what appears in your activity feed or what's shared with others. Step 6. To archive specific transactions and make them less prominent, tap on a transaction and look for options to categorize or note it differently. Step 7. If you want to limit what business information appears, go to Settings, then Business Profile if you have a business account, and adjust Public Visibility settings. Step 8. Remember that PayPal maintains all transaction records for legal and security purposes, so complete deletion is not possible, but you can adjust what's immediately visible in your app interface. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.